Coming up on TM Vlogs.
Right on top of my face.
Noma mashome a mabedi a metso e supileng ke kgaolo.
Roma, verse chapter 27,
Me temana e nngwe fela ke ya bone.
verse inye nje yesine.
Mme yona e ba le
Sanibonani and hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Talita_M, and let me give you a moment to like, let me give you a moment to subscribe. Done just that. Thank you so much and welcome to my TM squad. And if you're a day one TM squad, hello babies. Thank you so much for the love and continuous support. And in today's video is an awesome vlog. Back like we never left, baby. And in today's video is an awesome vlog. And I'm starting this vlog the most inconvenient way. I am shooting the introduction just after I have done the grocery shopping, simply because I do not want the rain to catch me while shooting an introduction. So I had to like pakisa man, you understand? I had to be in a hurry. I had to rush to town so that we can be done and come back home. So this part of the segment you're gonna see is when we are at town, and then we will talk after this.
Guys, I decided to take this one. I don't know whether it's gonna match my hair, but let's worth the try.
And that was it, guys. So I'm not gonna shoot a grocery haul because I'm tired. I'm done. Get out. So I'm not gonna do that. You saw what we bought, right? If ever you're unclear whatever we bought, but we did not buy a lot of stuff. We just went to just refill, basically. But right now I am craving for chips and bread, simply. And do not mind my tongue. As you can see, it's red. I am having the bev of the day. Let me just fish it. What's an awesome Saturday without some bevelicious, some bev? I'm having Smirnoff Berry Twist and one of my favorite drinks, actually. I love Smirnoff. I love the spirit coolers. It's just for me. I'm just that girl. I like other alcohol beverages. I cannot drink it. some others just don't sit well in my. I got cut short by space, but as I was saying, Smirnoff was my favorite drink. Honestly, if you love me, just get me Smirnoff. But that's not about. This is not about Smirnoff right now. Guys, my ring light has given up on me. So sorry if ever you see me moving a lot. My ring light is the pits. Every time I put in my phone on my ring light just go like, you know. So if it has given up on life, it has given up on life. It's time to buy a new ring light. And this ring light is not like more than a year. It's literally 6 months. No, yeah, 6 months old because I bought it in December. No, 5 months old. Yes, let's just say 5 months old. I just bought it in December, but then it's giving up on me. That ball where it's connected to the whole structure is loose. It's generally loose. So I have a lot of problems, but right now I'm going to make some food. I'm not going to shoot that because I'm tired, but then I'm going to shoot while doing my hair. We're going to dye my hair, so stay tuned. Guys, this moment I just decided to shoot content, low shedding just hit. So I'm using this Inector Beach Blonde to dye my hair along with this applicator or brush, and then I'm going to do my mixture inside of this mini bowl. So I don't know whether I'm going to be able to shoot because my laptop is flat. I don't have a power bank for my ring light, so I'm just gonna shoot mixing my mixture and then find some lighting just to shoot a little snippet of myself like dyeing my hair. Load shading is the pits, guys. Yo.
One eternity later.
Sanibonani, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it's a hey, sorry guys, let me just adjust this quickly. I swear guys, I need to buy a new ring light, and I don't know what's happening with this setting of brightness because I'm trying to adjust it so that I don't want to be too bright. I just want to appear nice and natural, right? So welcome back to my channel guys. The last time I spoke to you guys was on Saturday, and today it's Wednesday. I can explain. So on Saturday it was, I'm gonna kill this thing. On Saturday, it was raining. We went to the shops, came back, and I was trying to dye my hair right. So the moment I tried to dye my hair, load shedding happened, and then when the electricity came back, cable fault. So my area has been suffering cable fault. There's something wrong with the cable. So we went for 2 straight days without electricity. You can imagine. So that part of the video you just saw when I'm preparing the dye. I tried to shoot it, but then I just saw like this video is not giving. Sorry guys if ever you also saw that it's not giving, but I tried to show the preparation. At least I did something, but this is the final product. The camera is not doing justice. I'm trying to come closer, but I'm afraid that this brightness I just adjusted is going to go back to its original setting because I don't want it to be too bright. It just goes too bright for me. So this is the original, sorry, this is the final product. The camera is not doing justice. I think I will add a snippet here or a GIF so that you can see it properly. But I was glad, shame. I was glad when I finally washed my hair and it was done. I loved the color. I just wished that my hair was all black so that it can be like this brown. Because bleach blonde is very beautiful, guys. Never mind me looking like this. The camera is not doing justice. This camera is not doing any justice. So here where it was already blonde, it just intensified the blonde, as you can see. As you can see from the beginning of the video and up until now, it just intensified the blonde. But I'm contemplating whether I should cut my hair or not. You see, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. It does not want to stay still. I don't know how to do it so that it can just stay still. So back to what I was saying. I want to cut my hair, but I am contemplating because I want to grow my hair same while I'm looking too shabby. But oh Lord, the camera is not doing any justice. I'm just gonna leave it like this, guys. I'm so sorry. The camera is not doing any justice for this dye, but it's pretty nice when I just comb my hair and like leave it like that. It's pretty nice. But I'm really contemplating. I just want to cut my hair now. I really want to cut my hair because I'm going somewhere on Saturday, so I don't want to look you know. So I'm really contemplating, but we'll see as the week goes by. Really, I can't cope with that brightness. Yo, we'll see as the week goes by what it has in store for me, whether I should cut or not. Yo, guys, the camera is not doing justice for my dyed hair. Yo, hle ka re ke mobe ene ke motle hle ka yona bathong. Ha bathong kapa should I dye my hair again? I mean cut my hair again. Yo. So guys, right now I'm not going to shoot any content further because I'm studying. I'm writing one hell of a test tomorrow, so hoping for the best, hoping to qualify, so wish me luck, guys. So I'll see you maybe on Thursday, no, maybe on Friday, or yeah, Friday, probably Friday. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a Friday as promised. I told you that I'm coming back on Friday. Welcome back, guys. So I'm eating pineapple, as you can see. Please don't mind me. Pineapple for pussy pout. Yeah, it's a Friday afternoon, back from campus, back from writing, and I'm stressed. I don't have an outfit for tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to a Tombstone and I don't have an outfit. I didn't even buy an outfit. So I didn't even take my card, my rage card, because I know I have a credit. I have credit there available. I have credit available on my rage card. So I didn't take it because I was in a rush this morning, right? Plus we do not have electricity because cable fault again. Guys, really, my area, and people are building in my area. People are building in my area every time. Now when I arrived at home, I forgot that there's cable fault. I tried to put on my ring light, nothing. So guys, sometimes if we don't shoot, don't think what. No, the problems we encounter in South Africa. I'm sorry guys, I got cut short again because of space. But our topic at hand, our biggest problem for tomorrow is that your girl does not have any clothes. Like I literally do not have clothes. I haven't bought clothes for winter or autumn because like we're kind of like in autumn but approaching winter. So I don't have any autumn clothes. The only thing I have is like polo necks and my black dress, ngemihla, and They also know me with those heels, those black block heels, boots block heels. I really don't know. But the outfit that's coming into my mind right now, I was trying to wear some dress today because I tried to change. I changed actually. So haki apara skete seo, I was like, no man, I can match it with some pendaus, wear my block heel, and then polo neck and a body warmer. But the problem is, because she does not like that dress. Guys, go to my Instagram, right? I'll link my Instagram profile on in the description box and go follow. So I will link it down so that you can see. You must go to it's a beige or brown dress. I wore it's my first pose of 2023, right? I wore the dress. It suits me nice, especially now because I've gained a lot of weight, so it suits me perfectly. So I have that outfit in mind and it's so perfect, but the problem is my mother does not like it. Really, guys, I'm struggling. Also, my nails are crusty. My nails are super crusty. And I saw when I was cutting my pineapple, I was like, ooh, child, these people are gonna say, girl, your nails, manala, inzi, poor girl. Fix your nails. But I'm not going to do anything. I'm just gonna cut it, buff it, and then put on some clear nail polish. That's it. Otherwise, I will have to wait until I have money to do my nails. Sorry. So another thing, what's another thing? I'm dark.
Wait, did I hear you say?
Walkie talkie. It's not the ish, guys. Sorry. Being a walkie talkie is not the ish. Guys, I literally gained my complexion in April when I did not go to school. Right now, the sun is here. Plus, I don't have hair. The sun is here. Right on top of my face. Right on top. So please, guys, don't come to me telling me that I look crusty. I want you to understand that your girl is currently not affording to buy sunscreen, but I'm definitely going to buy a sunscreen because I'm an Avon distributor. So I'm going to order Avon, the smaller one in that smaller tube, for my face. Plus, I'm an oily skin type, so I'm going to it mattifies your skin. I'm going to use that one because I can't deal. I can't be buying products to work on my skin, yet I'm just letting the sun to damage it. It's not working for me, definitely. But then better struggle now and then, like in future, drive my Mercedes Benz. Like legit, I'd rather suffer now. Guys, I literally forget that I'm working against space, but I don't know what I'm gonna wear tomorrow, but then we'll see tomorrow. That's if I will go, because I can't overthink like this over an outfit. That's why people inform us early that you're going to have these type of stuff. Please, events, please, because we don't have outfits. I don't have winter clothes, so I'm just gonna mix what I have. If ever my soul, my inner self does not agree, I'm not gonna do anything. So from now on, I'm just gonna indulge in my pineapple and just wait because I'm trying to save some battery, guys. This thing of it's not it. It's not it. But hey, what can we do? What can we do? So guys, see you tomorrow very early in the morning. And yeah, I don't want to do makeup on camera. I don't want to do makeup on camera. I don't think I'm gonna do makeup on camera, but yeah, it's fine. See you tomorrow, guys.
so strange, thinking about you after all the wrong you've done to me. I can't go on feeling like I do, 'cause my heart loves you. Don't waste my time, 'cause someone like me you'll never find. I thought we had a good thing, I was wrong, and now I must move on, yeah. All the time I think of you, holding on to someone new. Don't make me lose my mind. Seems like I've been here before, baby, I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. Baby, oh, of you trying to play, oh, of you trying to play, oh, of you trying to play, oh, baby, oh, of you trying to play, oh, of you trying to play, oh, of you trying to play, oh, baby. To another love, one that I can trust. With my heart, I know she'll never run away. Just can't talk no more, so I'm out the door. Talk to me, why you wanna play that game? Play me out, baby. All the time I think of you, holding on to someone new. Don't make me lose my mind. Seems like I've been here before, baby, I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. More of you trying to play, more of you trying to play, more of you trying to play, more, baby. More of you trying to play, more of you trying to play, more of you trying to play, more, baby. 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 Of you trying to play me out, baby.
Guys, you know that GIF that says much later. I'm going to use it much later. Here is my food. Never and never again shall it be that I shall vlog. I'll cook and vlog. I'm never gonna do this again, but this is my food, and I'm about to dish up right now and eat and watch like a movie. Now, guys, that's it from me. Truly, that's it for me for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
tsebiseng bana ba rona re na le batswadi ha ba re ba iseng mabitleng mane ha re ba thetse bana ba matsatsi a jwale bomme le bontate ba batla ho bolellwa nnete wena ngwaneso lane la hao le tshwanang le moo ha o mo isitse moo mathata a ho salana isa hore ntate o le tsebo ngwana wa sheba o bona mo fela mme ka pela na ha ona mo kanti ka tlase o na le motho o na le masapo a go bedi o mme le bontate ha re iseba na ba rona ba biteng na batsaka ha modimo wa mele bona ya samagale bana ba ntate mo pele o a go bedi
Dumelang, Sanibonani. Hello guys, it's many days later after the Tombstone. I couldn't shoot the outro and the intro on Saturday, mainly because I was in a rush in the morning, and when I came back from the Tombstone and Unveiling, I was simply tired because I didn't sleep well on Friday. So it's many days after, and we had a great time. You know, it's nice meeting up with family members that ugcine kgale ho ba bona, yabo, and catching up and all of those stuff. And the food was nice, and man, it's nice having to like see one of your loved ones having a tombstone. So whenever you go to the cemetery, you'll be able to realize them. And I'm really thankful to go in because Manzwanda Moruti really touched me that like how ye mabitleng ho lo rapela, no, you're just going to o bontshe bana ba hao where your parents or great parents or grandparents are lying, so they must know where they come from and where you come from. So yes guys, that's it from me. The hair is super crusty. It's super crusty. Like the dye nowadays is saying Aksabatla, no more. So I think I'm going to dye my hair in the next vlog. I don't know, I will see how it goes. But from me to you now, it's nothing but love, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, please remember to comment, and do do subscribe, guys, and drop a yellow heart if ever you watched up until here. But from me to you, it's nothing but love and peace. Bye, guys.